My immediate impression of it is as follows. I think it was very low-key and disappointing insofar as a forward-looking document. It really didn't deliver anything, I would say, that was likely to excite any voters. It was really more trying to spin things that have already taken place in a particular light. But in terms of announcing new things, there was very little in it of note, that would catch people's attention. The legislative agenda is weak, extremely weak, which is not surprising because the legislative performance of this government has been extremely weak. There was nothing in it to speak to how they plan to deal with the recession that Jamaica has experienced in the second half of 2024, with 2 consecutive quarters of negative growth, which is the definition of a recession. The food insecurity, which was announced recently as a result of the report of the UN's FAO, Food and Agricultural Organization, saying that over 55% of Jamaicans are experiencing moderate to severe food insecurity. Not enough food, not enough nutritious food, not eating sufficient meals per day, etc. The poverty numbers in Jamaica, we don't know where they are because they haven't been published since COVID. But when we see that report on food insecurity and the recession in the economy, we are very concerned about that. And the reality is that the economy is not doing well. They aren't speaking to how they intend to turn it around. They financed the budget for this fiscal year that's coming to a close by a one-off transaction, selling 12 years of future income to finance programs that will have no lasting impact on economic growth and development, but are purely feel-good programs with temporary effects. And that is very poor economic management. And we are very concerned because we're wondering how they intend to finance this coming year's budget without that money being available next time around, because it was over $70 billion that was yielded from the sale of those future income from the Norman Manley Airport.